In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find forgot password on Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you would like to reset your password by clicking or pressing on forgot password on Netflix account, but you can't see this option while trying to sign in, then let me show you how you can do it. By default, if you go to Netflix page, you can see we only have an option to enter address here and just get started by clicking on get started to go to the next step, that is to enter code or password. So you can go ahead and enter your email here if you can't remember it, or you can also go to sign in here. And under this, you'll have an option to enter your email here. If you can't remember your email, it's still okay. Just go ahead and leave this and then click on this option, get help. Under this, you can see we have an option for forgot email or mobile number. Go ahead and enter it. However, if you already have your email, you can also go ahead and click on this still to get any help. So that's how you can forgot password on Netflix. However, you don't have to worry if you forgot your password because we have an option to use codes. If you click on continue here, Netflix will give you an option to send you codes to your mobile number. And from this, you can now go ahead and log in. If this is still not possible, you can go ahead and try another way. And here you'll have an option to sign in. And now here, if you can't remember the password, that's where now you can get here to get help. And now you'll see we have an option to forgot password here. This will help you now get unlock password straight to your email, and now you can use it to log into your Netflix account. So that's how you can forgot password on your Netflix account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.